Unable to connect with a paired Bluetooth device on your Samsung phone? Don't worry guys, here are the step-by-step solutions to fix this issue for your Samsung phone. So let's begin. Open Setting, tap Connection, scroll down, tap More Connection Setting, enable Nearby Device Scanning. After that, check your issues. If you still have issues, try the next process. Solution 1. Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log. Go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap Developer Options, make sure to turn it on. After that, tap Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log, then tap Enabled. Solution 2. Forget previously connected devices. Go to Settings, tap Connection, then tap Bluetooth. Tap on the setting icon to the right of the previously connected device name. Tap Unpaired from the right bottom corner. Tap Unpair. After that, reconnect the device again. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear Bluetooth Cache. Go to Settings again, scroll down, find out Apps, tap on it. Tap on the filter icon from the middle right side. Toggle on the Show System Apps, then tap OK at the bottom. Now tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Type Bluetooth, tap on it, scroll down, tap Storage. At the bottom, you'll see the Clear Cache icon. If you see this option is bolted to your phone, then tap on it to clear the cache. Solution 4. Check your software update. Go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If you have any update available, then install it. So there you have it. That's how you can resolve the problem of being unable to connect with a paired Bluetooth device on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in.